topic, sequence, and under sequence we'll be looking at geometric progression. A geometric progression can also be called exponential sequence. I repeat, a geometrical progression can also be called an exponential sequence. Now, what is the definition of geometric progression? A geometric progression is a sequence that is generated by successive multiplication or division of a term to get a consecutive term. A successive multiplication or division of a particular term to get a consecutive term is called a geometrical progression. Now, under geometric progression, there is what we call the nth term. The nth term of a geometric progression is given by the formula ar raised to the power n minus 1, while the sum of term Sn is given by the formula a bracket 1 negative r raised to the power n over 1 minus r, or a bracket r raised to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. You use the first one when r is greater than n. You use the second one when r is greater than n than 1 here. You use the first one when 1 is greater than r. That is it. So let's solve this problem on the board. Solution. The question says, given this GP, the GP is 7, 14, 28, and 56. Find the 8th term. So the 8th term, how do we get the 8th term? You know that the nth term of a GP is given by Tn equal to a r raised to the power n minus 1. Here is a constant formula we use to get this. Let's define the parameters where n is the 8th we are looking for, the 8th term. A becomes the first term, which is 7. R is called the common ratio, which is gotten by either 14 divided by 7 or 28 divided by 14. If you use 14 over 7, you have 2. R is 2. So we're going to substitute this parameter inside this formula. Tn becomes T8 equal to A is what? 7. 7 times R is 2. 2 raised to the power of n minus 1. That's 8 minus 1. 7 times 2 raised to the power 8 minus 1 is 7. You have 7 times 2 raised to the power 7 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2, 7 places, which is 7 times 2 raised to the power 7 will be 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, which is 128. Then we're going to multiply 7 times 128. 128 multiplied by 7. 7 times 6. 7 times 8 is 56. Write down 6. Take 5. 7 times 2 is 14. 14 plus 5 is 19. Write down 9. Take 1. 7 times 1 is 7, plus 1 is 8. So we have 896. So it means 7 times 128 is 896. So T8 is 896, which is the final answer. So this is how you solve the nth term of a GP. Here is the final answer. So it's very brief and concise. So in subsequent videos, we're going to be looking at more problems on other related topics. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.